Hi guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we're going to teach you how to make a minifig Lego Luigi. No, not the block version. Well, you'll see later when I make it. First, you want to find a clear page with looks about good enough. Looks about good enough. This looks about good enough. This looks good enough. So here are all of the crayons you need. First, we'll start off with the shoes and wait, I swear. Oh, silly me. Here's the brown. All right. Now we have all of the colors. First, we're going to start with the shoes. Now, okay, so there's these yellow lines. I'm going to draw that. Perfect. Then you just want to grab your crayons. Okay, and then you just want to, and once you have done that correctly, ta-da! Now you have a Lego mini. Now you have a Lego minifig that can move and even come out the book. Huh? Oh, and it's like a real minifig. You can torture it. Give me a sec. I just have to do some off-camera stuff, if you know what I mean. Alright guys, I did some off-camera stuff and I made a little more drawing. And I also 3D printed some stuff, like the sword, a bunch of these crayons, and even some fruit, which is edible. Trust me, look. Look. You can even pick it up.
If you grew old there during the apocalypse, how come you still look like a kid? I told you already.
Okay.
The equation's wrong. My dad always used to say that time travel could mess up your mind.
It's edible.
Maybe
Watch.
that's what's happening. You're too young. Naive to understand.
Tastes good.
I haven't seen you in a long time, and I don't want to lose you again. That's all. You know if it's getting late. I have lessons early and I need to sleep. I'm sure you do too. What's happening to you and
And I 3D printed some more things like this soda can, this water bottle, this, and this entire room. and including my mom. And this, and this, and this, and this, and this. Even myself.
Look at yourself what, baby?
Oh,
And I'm glad that you have self-love.
okay. Anyways, guys, I was just talking to my mom. And I even 3D printed this mirror and this phone. I 3D printed it myself. As you can see here. Ooh, why is it shaking? I didn't add this. I swear I didn't add this feature. Anyways, oh, and I also 3D printed this doorknob and this door.